Hey, I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Go ahead and subscribe and ring that notifications bell. There's going to be a new episode each week. You don't want to miss each one. And this is actually episode 151, and today we're going to be talking about the tale of two homes. Basically, we've got two recent sales. One got a home inspection before they listed the property, and one did not. The one that got the home inspection was able to make the repairs. We got the home inspection, found some things underneath the house that weren't great, that the sellers were not aware of. But because we found them before we went under contract, we were able to repair them on our budget. We were able to control the narrative with the potential buyer. We were able to pick our own vendors. We were able to pick all the repair work. We were also able to say these are the things that we're going to deal with and these are the things we're not. This home sold for just under listing price and on average timeline for today's market, to be honest with you. The other one, when the buyers had their home inspection, they were legitimately just as surprised as the sellers when they discovered quite a few major damage points in the crawl space, in the roof, and around the home. The buyers were actually first-time buyers. They were pretty spooked. They left, and the sellers were left with repairs and no contract. What's going to end up happening is those sellers are going to have to make the repairs. They're going to have to put the home back on the market. We're going to probably have to do a price reduction, and we'll probably have to explain everything as to what potentially happened. And it's going to cause the sellers some problems down the road still. If they would have just gotten the home inspection and made those repairs and made them public, there would be no surprises waiting for anybody. I'll be honest, getting that home inspection is one of the cheapest, most easiest insurance policies you can go with when preparing to list your home. It's just that simple. You control the narrative. You know exactly what's waiting for them, and you can tell them these are the things we're going to fix and these are the things we're not. If you like these videos, you can check out past episodes and other great content over on my YouTube channel. I'm on most popular social media sites like Facebook, YouTube. I'm on Instagram. So check me out over there. Reach out directly to me if you have some specific questions. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.